Who is coming with me to see the largest reservoir in the world? The largest reservoir in the world with ancient history is located in Sri Lanka. It is a brilliant creation by ancient engineers. It is a massive reservoir with waves like the ocean. There are many great stories and theories connected to it. So today, our journey is to explore it. This reservoir was built in the 12th century AD by King Parakram Bahu the Great. He is a king who holds a great name in Sri Lankan history. After building this reservoir, he said a noble statement. Not even a single drop of rainwater could be allowed to flow into the ocean without being used. As he said, he truly did what he promised. He built thousands of reservoirs. He is regarded as a god of agriculture in Sri Lanka. This reservoir was formed by the combination of three tanks. Those tanks are Thopa Väva, Dumutulu Väva and Erabudu Väva. The massive reservoir formed by combining these three is the Parakrama Samudra. The flat grassy banks around the reservoir calm my restless mind for a moment. I assure you there is nothing like this anywhere else in the world. Sri Lanka has 14,000 tanks and reservoirs. There are 300 small ponds. Look how beautiful it is, waves like the sea rolling toward the shore. The waves rushing from the horizon hit the rocks on the shore, creating a breathtaking scene. The larger quantity of freshwater fish needed for the fishing industry is caught from this reservoir. This is the livelihood of the people who live by the reservoir. They work hard day and night for their livelihood. Their lives depend on the reservoir. This reflects the pride of Sri Lanka. This reservoir provides great strength to agriculture and the fishing industry. Sri Lanka was called the granite of the East because of this agriculture development. So you could also come to Sri Lanka to witness this one of a kind reservoir that you must be experienced for yourself. Until we meet in the next video, stay safe. If you like my videos, please subscribe and click the bell icon too. During sunset, the distant sky looks extremely beautiful. The sunset by this reservoir is so captivating that many people come to see it. So what do you think about this great reservoir? Leave a comment below. If you like this video, give it a like.